Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell button for future notifications. If you haven't checked us out, we have a Facebook support group. You can search it under Wig Studio 1 Wig and Topper Support Group. Today, we are going to do a wig review over Noriko Reese. She is in Marble Brown LR, and the LR is long root. Look at those gorgeous highlights. And it's described as an ombre type of dark brown. It's rooted with medium brown and light honey brown blend of 50-50. Look at those gorgeous highlights. And they're around the front as well. Let's talk about her cap. She is open wefted. Her ear tabs are not real thin, but they're not real thick either. They are not covered. She does have an extended nape. It is not covered. It's that netting with bra sliding adjusters. She has this left mono part. She's not lace front, but she has bangs. And this will look like scalp from the outside. Okay, let's put her on. That's cute right there. Without even combing her out. Look at these cute bangs. That is so cute. I love how you can wear them down. Let's see. Now she has a lot of permatease. So if you don't like permatease, don't get this piece. She's got a ton. But you could probably break it down because it's not showing. They did a really good job covering. It's just all under here. Okay, let's go over measurements. My head from the hairline to the tip of my chin is 8 inches and my neck is 4 and my head is 21 inches around. That way when I do a turn, you can see where these layers and bangs will fall on you. This is a super easy piece. Look at these colors. Gorgeous color. Okay guys, let's go out and look at her in natural lighting. Here she is in the sunlight. Now let's go find some shade. Beautiful. All right, I hope this helped. Like and subscribe.